Um, Hello guys, this is Javier, and today I am doing Will You Press the Button? So let's just do this. You get to live in the world of Harry Potter, but none of the Harry Potter characters you know exist. I've seen the Harry Potter movies. They aren't as exciting, but yeah, sure. Alright. You have the ability to control anything with your mind, but every time you do, you get an almost unbearable headache.
Wow, now you know.
I could deal with a headache, I guess. 66% of people have pressed this button. Alright. You can keep your job even though you are about to be fired, but you have to accidentally kill a man. No. Alright. You will know every truth about everything that has exists, but no one will believe anything you say, and family and friends start to dislike you. No, I like attention, and I don't like people not liking me. So no. You become a pro League of Legends player, but you'll stay a virgin until you're 30. I will not. Alright, Juan, get.
Win.
Alright. You gain infinite knowledge of the universe without suffering any mental or physical backlash, but you cannot share any of this knowledge with anyone. No. Able to save a specific dream so it can be experienced again once, but you will never be able to dream anything else.
Oh.
Yes. Right. Good. You can become the founder of any religion, and it is successful and has many followers. The other major religions find you blasphemous and never listen to reason, no matter how helpful your religion may be.
I will not.
I will not. My religion would probably be Minecraft.
Yeah, good job.
And no, not many people would do that.
Oh, I almost broke my back.
Chicken.
Alright.
Alright. You can stop time, but you age quicker than everyone else and will most likely die before all of your friends.
No.
No. Right. Bad. You get to be with the man of or woman of your dreams, but you can no longer see your family or friends. No.
You have to be able to see me. Yes. You have a limit? Or
You can have unlimited orgies with all members chosen by you for the rest of your life, but
it's always to the sound of Miley.
it's always to the sound of Miley Cyrus's best hits.
No, you and I will not. That's retarded.
No, I couldn't stand listening to Wrecking Ball.
Orgies are disgusting. I love Miley Cyrus, but I can't say yes to this one.
No, just
You can fly. That was weird.
Alright, you can fly, but you can never ever believe again. Everything you know and love becomes darkness, and you start to lose your soul. Eventually, you will be nothing but a ghost and can never feel again, and you're stuck on Earth forever, and you will never see the internet again. No, because then I couldn't make videos and post them on YouTube for you guys. Alright. You can read people's minds, but you can only read books instead of TV. No, I wouldn't even want to read. I wouldn't want to read people's minds, because I'm pretty sure I wouldn't like some of the stuff they are thinking.
No, you wouldn't.
Alright, when this decides to load. Alright, I am back. You will become homeless, but you will be truly happy for the rest of your you will be truly happy for the rest of your life. No, because I like all the stuff I have right now. You will reach the peak of human physical ability, but you will no longer understand the concept of numbers. Yes. Alright. You become rich and incredibly charming, but every time you get laid, a gang of fat bikers beats you up. Sure. Right. The cure to the zombie virus is within you, but to harvest it, you'll die in the process. Nope, I'll stay immune to them forever while everyone else dies. 'Cause I do not want to die. You gain 10 years of extra life, but 2 random members of your family lose 5 years each from their lives. I will not. Be able to grow any part of your body, but it's permanent. I could use a longer arm. Alright. You are invincible, but everything you touch dies. No.
God,
You have the best night of your life, but you get drunk and puke on yourself in front of everyone. I'm just gonna push the button.
Berto Granny said.
You can run at the speed of light, but it feels like there is a stone in your shoe whenever you do it, even when not wearing shoes. Yes. Alright guys, after like 2 more, I think I'm gonna be done. You get to make out with your celebrity crush, but you get herpes.
Yeah.
No.
Aw. Heidi. Berto, who's
You become the most attractive man slash woman on earth, but everyone thinks you are gay or lesbian. No. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, this was Javier, and I will see you next time. Bye.